special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Burns Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10:30 p.m. At 9:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Burns Harbor, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Michigan City and Burns Harbor. The following is a summary.